have a second Husqvarna all-wheel drive. It's around 7 horsepower, 7.25. We got this for free. We have a friend and he just gave it to us. It runs, he says. We have the gas tank is empty, but we do have an oil mess. You don't want to come look at this. So, yeah. It's bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the blade off and sharpen it. And I'm going to clean it up right now so that we can see what it looks like. Doesn't look like there was a bunch of scratches on it like the last one. So I'm going to get it cleaned up and we'll turn you guys back on. This stuff.
Anything to say about the bottom, what you're seeing?
No, just gotta clean this grass up. I don't like seeing grass like this on here, but you can just clean this up. I think it'll clean up nice. So we have a very bad air filter.
Holy cow.
So. Start time. That was exciting.
Go.
Okay, 5 minutes later we added some gas. Did start, but we didn't have the camera rolling, so take 2. Oh.
So it's dying? Good. There were people dying in the background currently. Okay, we got the spark plug on down here. Okay. Where's that? Which screws do we have to remove?
That one.
Go.
We're undoing the blade. You gotta turn it left. Okay, there we go.
we got the blade put on there again. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see it in there, but it's in there. So we're selling this one like all the other ones, so that's about it. So see you later.